Today we want to look at some questions that come in Kenya National Examination Council. They are repeatedly set in Kenyan Examination Council. So this is an example. This was a question in 2025, question number 1. Question number 1 is set work out 11 over 12 minus 1 over 3 divided by 1 and 1 over 2. This is how we do it. We have only two operations, that is minus and division. So before we decide which division we take, let us make this mixed number as an improper fraction. That is 1 whole and 1 over 2 is the same as 2 times 1 plus 1, that is 3 over 2. In body mass, between subtraction and division, which comes first? It is division. So we start with the division. And we know when we are dividing a fraction, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So what do? We will write 11 over 12 minus 1 over 3. Instead of division, we multiply 2 over 3. So what do we have? This will be 11 over 12 minus 2 over 9. This is 1 times 2 and 3 times 3. So 2 over 9. So what next? We come and say 11 over 12 minus 9 over minus 2 over 9 is the same as, first we have to find the LCM of 12 and 9. 12 and 9 is what? That's 6. So what do? We come and say 11 over 12 minus 2 over 9 is equal to, we put everything under that 6. That is the LCM. So 12 goes to that 6 how many times? 12 goes to that 6 3 times. So we write 3 into 11 minus 9 goes to the 6 how many times? It goes there 4 times. 4 times 2 times 2. So we will have 33 minus 8 over 36 minus 8 over that 6. The answer will be what? 25 over that 6. 25 over that 6. Remember, everything was under the square root. Under the square root. So we write that answer under the square root. So the square root of 25 is equal to 5. And the square root of that 6 is 6. So by doing so, you have done it right. Can we do another question that was done in KCSE 2025? This is another question that appeared in the Kenya National Examination Council grade Form 4 in 2026. This was question number 3. The question states, solve for x. This is how we solve for x. It is very simple. As you can see, these are indices involving algebra. What can we do? We can express these numbers as index numbers. For example, 4 power 3. 4 can be expressed as an index number. 4 is the same as 2 power 2. Okay? And 4 has power 3 there, so we write power 3 times. 8 can also be expressed as an index number. 8 can be expressed as 2 power 3. The next is to express 32 as an index number. Index number how? We can say 32 is the same as 2 power 5. And we have the general power here. The next thing, we can remove the fraction part here. 1 over 2 power 5. We can express it as an index without having that fraction. So we come and say 2 power, this is 2 times 3, so that is power 6x times 2 power 3 is equal to, this is the same as when you remove the fraction, when you remove this fraction part, or when you remove that one there, this power 5 becomes negative, so it will be 2 power negative 5, then power 2x minus 3. After doing so, now you see we have all our bases similar, we have them as 2, all the bases are the same, so we can drop them and take the powers. We can drop them and take the powers. So we take 6x. When we multiply indices, we add the powers. So 6x plus 3. 6x plus 3 is equal to, this is negative 5 times 2x is what? Negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 3, it will give you plus 15. This is a negative and a negative, so they give us a positive. After doing so, we can solve for x. We can solve for x. So we have to bring the like terms together. 6x, we can bring x, 10x in this side. 10x is equal to, we take 3 to the other side. So we have 15 minus 3. 6 plus 10 is 16x is equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12. So we have 16x is equal to 12. We can simplify by 4, so that we have 4x is equal to what? 3. X is equal to 3 over 4. X is equal to 3 over 4. Then we can leave it at that, or we can make that one as a decimal. This is the same as 0.75. All right, so that is as simple as that. So learners, if you have a question, you can send it to our comment section. If you have another question from whichever country, from whichever curriculum of your country, you can send it to our comment section so that we can do it in the next video. Thank you so much.